Hi.
What does it say?
You deserve to be happy.
Happy. And we're very, very happy with our friend. 1 year ago.
1 year ago naman.
Maybe 10 months.
Oo.
10 months ago nakilala namin si Mary Vilma. And because of her, super lapit lang eh. Diba, mga 45 minutes lang of San Fernando and then nasa Alto ka na.
Yes.
Love you na, Kuya.
Yes.
Si Kuya, kasi si Kuya dinalaw ka na.
Yes. I will.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Blow your candles, make a wish, Tim.
Happy birthday, Bim. Say hi.
Thank you.
Swerte mo.